Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about Born Pretty gel polish. Now this is their cat eye gel polish. I love this stuff. I'm going to insert a video for you guys. I took this a little clip outside so that way you could see the actual polish better, because let me tell you, there is nothing better than a cat eye gel polish in the sunlight. It is gorgeous in sunlight. I love it. They actually sent me out 4 different shades, so thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending these out. So I'm also going to pop up a picture of all the different shades that they sent me. Now I just made a shorts video and I used the Sea Blue Cat Magnetic Gel in shade 7, which is a blue shade. So if you haven't got a chance to see that short, I will link it below in the description box. I'm going to have all of these shades linked below for you guys. So when you are using this polish, you're actually going to need to use a magnet with it. The polish does not come with a magnet, so you will need to buy this separately. But again, I'm going to have everything linked below for you guys. But yeah, this polish was really easy to work with. It was more on the thicker side than the thinner side for sure. But I think all like magnetic polish that I've ever tried is more on the thicker side, but it's still not too hard to work with or anything. I absolutely love how my nails came out. I think they look so cute. So I just used the rhinestones basically to clean up the French tip, because girl, I'm not a professional or anything like that. I just really enjoy doing my own nails. It saves a ton of money and it's a little bit of just me time. So I really enjoy, just sitting down and doing my own nails. I absolutely love this Born Pretty polish. If you haven't tried anything from Born Pretty, their gel polishes are really good. When I used the Sea Blue Cat Magnetic Gel in shade 7, I had that polish on my nails for probably 10 days. And it never chipped or anything. I literally just took it off so I could do this set, because if you guys have been watching me, you know I like nails that are a bit longer. I'm not too much on the super short nails. But if you like super short nails and you like just your natural nails and you don't want to have to worry about using the nail tip and glue set, you can absolutely use this polish on your natural nails and it will last. But yeah, girl, if you want to see how I created this set, then keep watching. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I already have this hand done. Now, I went ahead and I used the nail tip guides on this hand. They're just stickers that you stick down on your nail. So now I'm just going to take a white polish and I'm going to paint my tips. Before you cure your gel polish, you're going to want to take the nail tip guides off, and I'm just going to take a pair of tweezers and pull them off. Now, any paint that gets underneath of the sticker, you can use a brush and fingernail polish remover to get it off. I actually am out of fingernail polish remover, so I'm going to be using rubbing alcohol, because rubbing alcohol works just the same to get gel polish off before you cure it. So you're just going to take your brush and a little bit of rubbing alcohol and wipe your nail. Now it's not going to look perfect, and that's okay, because we're going to be putting the rhinestones on. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to do the rhinestones, so that way I don't have to worry about having the French tip look perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. I am going to do a second coat of white paint. So now I'm going to take the Born Pretty Cat Eye Gel Polish, and this is in shade 1. It's a silver, it's so pretty. And I'm going to do 2 coats. So now I'm going to take the magnet and I'm going to hold over top of my nail for just a couple seconds in an angle. And then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so I have a bunch of rhinestones dumped out here. So I'm going to get some of the rhinestone glue and I'm going to run it right behind that line. And I'm just going to do 2 nails at a time. I'm going to take the rhinestones and I'm going to fill in the line behind the French tip. Okay, so now that I have 2 of them done, I'm going to take a no wipe top coat and I'm going to put my top coat on. I'm not going to put it directly on top of my diamonds because I haven't cured my nail yet. So I can still move my diamonds around with this brush. And I'm going to cure these 2 for 60 seconds. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to use my favorite cuticle oil. I use this every single nail video. I love this stuff. I'm definitely going to have it linked below for you. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed set. I loved how this turned out. I think it looks so nice. I just wanted to do something different with a French tip, so we have a cat eye French tip. So I'm gonna have the video where I reviewed the Born Pretty nail tip and glue set. If you guys wanted to go check that out to see how to apply the nail tip and glue set, I'm gonna have it linked below for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.